Hey guys, this is DeSHANTA B, and I'm here with some eye candy for you. I bet you cannot guess exactly what this is. This is Chef MarqisMac, one of his signature dishes of Oxtail Mac and Cheese. Look at all of the beans and the seasonings and all of that oxtail meat with the cheeses, guys. It's so moist and it melts in your mouth. Guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave his information in the description box. He is a personal chef. So if you want to have a dinner, a quiet dinner with your spouse, your man or your woman, give him a call. But where will you find this signature oxtail mac and cheese dish besides at MarqisMac? Nowhere. So guys, you know what time it is. Check out MarqisMac so that you can see all of his other signature dishes, his drinks, as well as his desserts. And stop playing. Until next time, bye guys.